Hello Hornby fans, the holiday season is just around the corner, and here at Hornby we've put together our 10 favourite gifts for the season. Roll those titles. First up, a great gift for those who want complete control over their train set. The iTraveller 6000 train set is the model railway of the future. This set features a train inspired by cutting-edge technology. Everything needed to get started with model railways is in the box and includes a locomotive, rolling stock and track, as well as Hornby's new controller system, the HM6000, which allows the locomotive to be controlled using mobile devices via a downloadable app. Now what would Christmas be without the train running around the tree? Santa's special train includes his very own steam engine, a wagon full of presents, and a closed van in which he transports his sleigh. The Hornby Santa's Express is a perfect gift for your loved one. A great gift for the adults in your life, the CocaCola Christmas train set. Resplendent in a Coke red livery, this officially licensed train set for the adult collector offers an almost timeless, iconic interpretation of the Coca-Cola brand, representing the logistics involved in bringing Coke by rail from the factory to the doorstep. This year maybe you want to get the whole family a gift. Why not get the Family Fun Project? Bring your family together with the Hornby Family Fun Project. The Family Fun Project is all about the family getting together to build a model railway layout, featuring all the trimmings, scenery, buildings, people, and so much more. This starter pack includes everything you need to build your perfect 00 gauge scenic model railway layout. Perhaps the person you're gifting to this year has already started on their model railway journey. The perfect gift to give them is our range of extension packs. The track extension packs will help them to make their layout even bigger, and the building extension packs will let them get even more creative with their layouts. The 2022 Hornby catalogue is a great gift for the newest model railway fan to the most experienced. The catalogue contains everything you need to know for all your model railway needs in 2022. As always, the Hornby catalogue is also a collector's piece in its own right, featuring an expansive selection of state-of-the-art locomotives, coaches and wagons, as well as impressive new train sets. There's something for beginners, collectors and enthusiasts alike. A classic Hornby locomotive. The Smokey Joe has been in our range uninterrupted for 39 years. Smokey Joe is perfect for someone who has already got a layout and are looking for an iconic locomotive to add to their model world. Perhaps your parents or grandparents have started talking about building their own model railway, or maybe you'd like to build a layout with the kids or grandkids. The best place to start is a Scenic Starter Set bundle. Aimed at producing foliage and flora for a layout, the Scenic Starter bundle contains grass, trees and scatter to freely place at your choice. We have a great collection of Christmas rolling stock and they are perfect for stocking fillers. Firstly, Santa's present wagon. This present carrying wagon van allows Santa to transport his gifts while keeping them protected from the bitter Arctic snow. Finally, Santa's reindeer wagon. Every Christmas Santa is faced with the same daunting task of preparing everything ready for his famous round-the-world sleigh flight. One of the most important tasks is transferring the reindeer from their home to the factory, ready to pull the sleigh. And what better way to transport them than by rail? We hope we inspired you with a few gift ideas this Christmas. Do let us know in the comments down below what you'd like for Christmas this year. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year from everyone at Hornby.